प्यार छुपा है खत में इतना, जितने सागर में मोती। प्यार छुपा है खत में इतना, जितने सागर में मोती। चूम ही लेता हाथ तुम्हारा, पास जो तुमने होती।
फूल तुम्हें भेजा है खत में। नींद तुम्हें तो आती होगी, क्या देखा तुमने सपना। नींद तुम्हें तो आती होगी, क्या देखा तुमने सपना।
आँख खुली तो तन्हाई थी, सपना हो न सका अपना।
तन्हाई हम दूर करेंगे, ले आओ तुम शहनाई, ले आओ तुम शहनाई।
प्रीत बढ़ाकर भूल न जाना, प्रीत तुम्ही ने सिखलाई।
फूल तुम्हें भेजा।
Dearest Mama and Daddy, wish you a wonderful and a very, very happy marriage anniversary and 50 years of togetherness. Wish you another century, half a century ahead, and many, many years of happiness, good health, prosperity, smiles, and fights as well. Keep teasing, keep enjoying, keep laughing, and always be there on my head with your blessings, with your hands blessing on my head. Just want to have you forever and ever, like any other child would. The bond which I have with my mama, I think it is little less than more like a mother and daughter. We are more like friends. We are like sisters. We share all kinds of anything which comes, anything you can think under the sun. I don't think twice that I have to tell it to mama or not. She is my go-to person. I will share, I will talk to her. We will do a lot of gossip, aao behan chugli karo kind of thing. And we have our times when, of course, I try to teach her, I try to become her mom and give her the right and wrong. And sometimes she takes merit out of some of my advices also. But mama is a mama at the end of the day, so what she says is right, and she is the queen of the house. So we all have to listen, including daddy, right? So with daddy, again, daughters and fathers, a special bond, special affinity. But my daddy is the best. Like there was this ad, my daddy is the strongest. Similarly, I think what I have learned from daddy, it is at this age that I realize, one less than 50, at this age when I have my own kids, the value system, the strength, how to be street smart, what are the rights and wrongs, and more than anything else, the best thing about my dad and daddy brings on the table is the positivity. Nothing is impossible. Beta, go for it, and you will achieve it. Agar ho bhi gaya, so what's the big deal? I think that is the most amazing quality daddy has. And the cool attitude to life. Jio, bindas jio, live your life. One life we have. That's just amazing. His knowledge, his financial management, his advices, be it any situation from my childhood till date. I think when I was a little girl, maybe, whatever I can remember in my 4th or 5th standard, since then daddy used to be teaching me maths and all the subjects, and I have never kept any tuition. And till date, even if I have the biggest problem in my personal or professional life, it's my dad whose advice really works and creates magic. I wish I can even pass a percent of what I have in my genes from dad to my children. I think they'll be really blessed. And from Adya and Avya, they are the most lucky grandchildren to have such great Nanu and Nani, and all the joy and all the fun and all the babysitting you gave and all the care. This clip is too short to tell you and express the amount of love and affection is overflowing in my heart. But I just wish you the very best, good health, lots of laughter and positivity as you advocate to the whole world, and wish you a perfect and more than merrier anniversary and many more 50 years to go ahead. Thank you, Daddy, Mama, for everything, and wish you the very best. Lots of love, hugs, kisses, squeezes, anything and everything, just to see you always happy and smiling. Take care, Daddy, Mama.
Wishing you a very happy golden anniversary. As you reflect back 50 years, may every memory bring smile to your face, strength and happiness together for another 50 years to come. With all the best wishes. Bye.
Nanu, Nani,
Nanu Nani,
wish
happy
you a
dance,
anniversary to you.
happy
इधर देखो,
wishes
anniversary.
to you.
I love you.
I love
You are so sweet.
you. You're so sweet.
Happy anniversary to you. Once more, Adya. Adya, say. Adya, look at your video.
Happy December.
Happy anniversary.
Anniversary
Anniversary to you.
to you.
Adya loves you.
I love you.
Adya, say na. I love you. Nahi. Adya loves you.
I
Adya. Adya loves you.
love you. I love you.
Hi, Nani. जोर से बोलो. Wish you happy anniversary to you. ये इससे खेलना बंद करो. पहले बोलो आव्या. Say wish you happy anniversary to you.
Happy to you.
Happy
Happy
ही करके anniversary to you.
to you.
And Avya loves you.
Love you.
Ava?
Love you.
हाँ, Ava loves you, Nanu Nani.
Nanu Nanu. I love you.
Loves you.
Nanu.
I love you बोल दो. अच्छा टाइट से बोल दो. I love you. स्माइल करके. I love you, Nanu Nani.
I do my
Nanu Nani.
Nanu.
नानी. ठीक से बोलो. अच्छा मक्का ऑफर कर दो उनको. मक्का खाओगे नानू? नानू 1 मक्का, नानी 1 मक्का. I love मक्का.
Hello, Auntie and Uncle. Wish you both a very happy golden anniversary. Have fun.
Auntie and Uncle, wishing you both a happy 50th wedding anniversary. You can tell what an amazing couple you make when you have a daughter like Anisha. Once again, wishing you both many more years of happiness, togetherness, love, joy, and good health. Happy anniversary.
Hello, Uncle and Auntie. Wishing you a happy 50th anniversary. It was really nice meeting you several years ago, and you definitely are a role model for all of us in terms of the way you exhibit your togetherness and commitment to each other. Wishing you nothing but the best of years of togetherness and happiness filled with abundance of health. Good luck and have a great day.
Start. Daddy, start.
Group Captain Saab and Goody. Happy 50th marriage anniversary.
क्या बात है मम्मा.
Happy marriage anniversary, 50th marriage anniversary.
Hi, Auntie,
Both of you.
Uncle.
Both of you.
50th anniversary.
Both of you.
देखो वो happy बोला कि
Happy बोला है. And many more to come. Happy 50th wedding anniversary, uncle and auntie, and many more to come. Here I am. हो गया? और कुछ wishes हैं? किसी और का विश?
बस
ओके, थैंक यू।
शादी की 50वीं
15वीं बोल दो, वो भी अच्छा है,
50वीं
वो भी अच्छा है।
शादी मुबारक हो।
चलो, ओके।
Dear Auntie and Uncle, wish you both a very happy wedding anniversary. It started with a simple ring. You became husband and wife. You progressed to being parents, and you're still best friends for life. God bless you both with good health, so you may enjoy many more years of love and togetherness. More years to create special, precious memories together. More years to discover new things to enjoy about each other. And more years to strengthen a marriage that defines forever. Happy 50th anniversary. Cheers.
Happy anniversary, Didi and Uncle.
Didi and Uncle. Oh, sorry, for me, my uncle. The most charming couple in the world. Wish you a very, very, very happy anniversary. On this momentous occasion, pray to God to give Shakti to my uncle, to have his daru day after day after day till eternity, and my Didi the enjoyable and blissful life infinitely. भाई लोगों, ख़त्म नहीं हुआ। अपने बनारसी और लखनवी कपल के लिए 2 लाइनें सुना रहा हूँ। तो अर्ज किया है, रहे आपस में इतना प्यार कि देखता रहे ये संसार। लेकिन कभी कभी चल जाती है थोड़ी सी तकरार, लेकिन उसके बाद फिर ढेर सारा प्यार, और हम ये दिन देखते रहें बारंबार बारंबार। Once again wish you a very very happy anniversary.
वैसे तो 50 गोल्डन एनिवर्सरी, 50 इज जस्ट ए नंबर, पर इस नंबर के अंदर इतने साल, इतने मौसम, कितने दिन, कितनी रातें, कितनी खुशियाँ, कितने गम, सब आपने मिलकर साथ बिताए हैं। और आगे आने वाले सालों में भी इसी तरह हंसी खुशी ये पल गुजरते जाएं।
और हम आपके हाथ की तहरी और अरहर की दाल भी खाते रहें।
अंकल की तरफ से दीदी को, बिकॉज दिस इज 50th एनिवर्सरी, गोल्डन एनिवर्सरी बोलते हैं, 50th गोल्डन एनिवर्सरी, अंकल की तरफ से दीदी को ये तो कहना बनता ही है। जन्म जन्म का साथ है निभाने को, 100 साल मैंने जन्म लिए।
It takes 50 years to turn a marriage into gold. May all the moments spent together bring smile to your face and strength for another 50 years to come. Wishing you a very happy 50th anniversary.
Wish you both lots of love and happiness on this golden anniversary. May the love grow stronger and stronger by every passing day, and you both be happy always.
Wish you both a very happy anniversary.
अगर मैं 1971 की बात याद करूं, जब दीदी अंकल, हमारी छोटी बुआ जिसको हम लोग दीदी कहा करते थे, और आज तक हम उनको दीदी ही बुलाते हैं, और अंकल को अंकल ही बुलाते हैं, उनको पता नहीं भैया और फूफा जी नहीं बुलाते। बट आई नो इट्स अ स्ट्रेंज काइंड ऑफ nomenclature which we have been following from the childhood, and very cherished memories which we had the time Didi and uncle was married in 1971, which the time I was almost 7 years old, correct? हाँ, 7 years old. बाहर आंगन में मिठाइयाँ पड़ी होती थी। उस टाइम पे एक ये नन्हा जासूस दीदी का छोटी छोटी जासूसी करके इन्फॉर्मेशन भी दिया करता था अंकल के बारे में। अंकल उस टाइम पे चेन स्मोकर हुआ करते थे, एंड विद वन सिंगल मोमेंट, आई थिंक विद वन ऑफ द बेट विच अंकल हैड इट, ही लेफ्ट smoking, and till today he has not even touched it. This couple, I think, he's being always young. 50 साल की एनिवर्सरी, लगता नहीं कि 50 साल हो गए हैं इनकी एनिवर्सरी के। They are always young as ever. I had very fond memories with young as ever. I had very fond memories with uncle and Didi, stayed in Subroto Park when I started off my new job in Delhi, grown up with them, learned many things with this couple. Uncle always was very supportive in the kitchen. Bartan dhone mein, I think he's master on that itself. Didi khana banati thi and he used to have 2 packs in the kitchen itself. चुपके से मार के अपना कमरे में आ जाते थे. But the kind of relationship Uncle and Didi has really shared in the entire of life, which I think we all need to learn and follow probably on the same footsteps. They care for each other, they love each other, and the kind of discipline in the family and Uncle especially was mentor to me, and I still admire him for many other things. And I still remember, भाई मुँह ढक के सो, किस किस को याद करो, किस किस को रो. So many more things which I had of in my life, which I can never forget. This has been given by this couple to me. Many happy anniversary, Didi and Uncle, to you, and many more to come. I really wish I should be there with you for this celebration. Thank you so much.
Happy anniversary, Didi. Happy anniversary, Uncle. God bless you with infinite years of togetherness, love, happiness. और दीदी क्या कहूँ, बस we love you and take care, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye. And once again, happy anniversary, Didi.
Hello, Bhai Sahib and Bhabhi ji. Wish you a very happy golden jubilee of your wedding anniversary. May God bless both of you and shower your love and happiness to us too.
Good morning, Uncle and Auntie. Wishing you a very, very, very happy 50th wedding anniversary. May God bless you both. आप हमेशा ऐसे ही खुश रहें. And it's unfortunate that we're not able to meet this time, but in a way, it's good. आप दोनों आपस में अच्छे से time spend कीजिए, खूब enjoy कीजिए आज का दिन. God bless you both. Wishing you a happy wedding anniversary once again from all of us. Enjoy yourselves. Bye-bye. Hope to see you soon.
Hello, Uncle and Auntie. Wishing you lots of hearty congratulations for the golden anniversary. You people both are a role model, an institution of love and bond, and wishing all good health and spirits, and hope I'm able to see you soon when I come to India to visit you. Thank you, Auntie.
Hello, Uncle. Hello, Auntie. Happy anniversary. On behalf of Momi and Amit, have a lovely day, and may you have many more years to come together. Take care. Love you.
Dear Nirmal ji and Group Captain Khanna, we wish you a happy golden anniversary. May God bless you both with good health and cheer. We have been missing the both of you at your cottage at Bhimtal for the last few years. We fondly recall the pleasant gupshup we used to have during the evening assembly at the park, where you used to be the most active participant with your anecdotes and personal adventures. Enjoy your special day to the full. We look forward to meeting you at Bhimtal as early as possible. God bless you both. Manju joins me in conveying the same feelings. God bless you once again.
I know Group Captain Khanna and Mrs. Khanna and Anisha for years now, since we all started staying together in Bhimtal, and it has been a pleasure, especially with Mrs. Khanna. It was like a proxy mother over there, where you could talk to her anything and she would smile and laugh, and it was like an amazing meetup with her. And Anisha, and of course, she was like so close to my heart. She has that strength and that grit in her that brings everything alive. And she's bold and courageous, and the girl who knows what she doesn't want, and the girl who's been like what she wants. And thank you for giving me so much love, both of you, and congratulations on your this amazing milestone, and many more happiness. And each day has to be lived fully and completely. Thank you.
Both uncle and auntie very happy anniversary, 50th anniversary. What a milestone. और मैं यही विश करता हूँ कि आप हमेशा खुश रहें और आपकी हेल्थ और आपकी हैप्पीनेस हमेशा आपके साथ रहे और यू एंजॉय योर रेस्ट ऑफ लाइफ वेरी मच. और एंड आई ऑल्सो विश कि आपकी बेटी और आपकी पोतियाँ आपको कम तंग करें ताकि आप आराम से सत्ताल जाके एंजॉय कर सको. एंड अंकल के साथ मैंने चीयर्स के बड़े दिन हो गए एंड आई जस्ट होप कि जब ये सिचुएशन थोड़ी बेटर हो तो मैं आके आपके साथ एक ड्रिंक जरूर करूँ. थैंक यू. All the best.
Hello, happy anniversary, Chachi Ji, Chacha Ji. Wishing you a wonderful year and lots of happiness and good health. We are missing you. Happy anniversary, and I hope you have a wonderful time celebrating.
Happy anniversary.
Bye bye.
Hello, Goody Didi and Jijaji. Big anniversary today. Very, very happy anniversary. Congratulations. May you have many, many, many more. On this day, I can't help but thank Anju for introducing us to you after so many years. And I'm so glad that we are now in touch and are able to see each other sometimes or speak to each other sometimes. So maybe after the corona has bid us goodbye, we'll come and say hello to you one day. Congratulations once more. Lots and lots of love and lots of hugs. May God give you everything that you desire. Bye.
हेलो गुड्डी दीदी, भाई साहब या जीजा जी कहूँ, many happy returns of the day to both of you. I believe it's your 50th golden anniversary. So let me congratulate both of you, and we hope and pray that you have many years of togetherness, good health, happiness and everything. It's very sad कि यहाँ दिल्ली में होते हुए भी now we are not able to come to Gurgaon, or we can even ask you to come here till the situation improves. This COVID has taken a toll on so many people, and I think till the vaccination comes, we should stay away, get vaccinated, and then I think we should meet. And probably then we can celebrate your anniversary together, and over maybe some wine or some beer. It was lovely to have been with you. Maybe I think what something like about 1.5-2 years ago. But I think we should meet more often, and hope and pray that jaldi se mile. Till then, wish you all the best. Once again,
respected uncle and auntie, today is your 50th. Wishing you a very happy anniversary. We've been really lucky to have your blessings for last 2 decades. They just flew past through us. Literally, I still remember when I came to Gurgaon, and as a parent, you actually walked me through this so-called new town called Gurgaon and got me my first house. I still relish those idlis, and the taste of that sambar is still fresh in my mouth. That Kia, that Turai, and that Dana Chugas of the world, I'm still missing on all those moments which we were really lucky to have spent with you. You always blessed us with all the blessings, warmth of love on me specifically, and I've been really lucky. Wishing you a very happy and a very, very healthy life ahead. May God bless both of you, and thank you so much for blessing me with abundance of your love and showering your blessings on me. Thank you so much, and wishing you a very happy anniversary once again.
Wishing you a very happy 50th wedding anniversary, Uncle Auntie. Love you.
आंटी नमस्ते, अंकल नमस्ते। आप दोनों को शादी की 50वीं वर्षगांठ बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। एंजॉय दिस स्पेशल डे इन ए स्पेशल वे। और आप लोग की हेल्थ बिल्कुल ठीक रहे, खूब खुशियाँ मिलें आपको, और हम लोग के ऊपर आपका आशीर्वाद हमेशा बना रहे।
Yes, that's very true. चलिए, thank you so much and enjoy your day. Namaste.
Namaste. Thank you.
Golden anniversary, dear Goodney El Khanna Bhai Sahab. God bless you with long, happy, healthy, prosperous and cheerful togetherness forever and forever. Stay always blessed. पीछे से हमारे गुरुजी की फोटो भी आपको blessings दे रही है. Okay, bye.
Group Captain Khanna, wish you and your spouse the very best. Firstly, congratulations on completion of your golden anniversary tomorrow, 5th February, and for many more years in the future. I have met you a few times, and I remember distinctly the time when Anisha first introduced you to me. I wasn't aware then that you were former armed services, from the armed services, group captain. I was impressed extremely with the way you carried yourself, the supreme integrity that I could always sense from every word you said, the calm assurance and the feeling of and the amount of self-confidence by which you carried yourself. No wonder Anisha always spoke so highly of you. She was being people are generally, I agree, very fond of parents, have a special affection for them, a special place for them in their hearts because they're parents. But I think Anisha had a very, 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 very special regard for both you and her mother, and I can see why after I met you. I only regret that we did not have too many occasions to meet. Even in those very few occasions that we met, I was extremely impressed and far more richer by the experience. I wish you the very best to both of you in your marriage and the very best of health in the coming years. Thank you very much. Congratulations. And Anisha?
Happy anniversary, Uncle and Mimasi. Wish you many more to come. Enjoy the day with Avya and Adya and Anisha Didi and Girish Jiju.
Enjoy a lot.
Hello Masi, hello Uncle, happy anniversary. 50 years, that's a great milestone, congratulations. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm sure Anisha Didi and दोनों छोटी ने कुछ तो exciting plan करके रखा होगा. Waiting for all of the pictures and have a fun year ahead. Bye!
I remember whenever I used to call Anisha from school and Uncle used to pick up the phone, I used to be so scared of his voice and I almost used to hang up. But then slowly I got used to Uncle and he only sounded stern. He was such a warm-hearted, friendly person at heart. And I remember going to Anisha's place for after school and sitting in the backyard. It was a beautiful house and Auntie used to sit with us in the sun and feed us oranges. I still remember that sunny warmth of the afternoons that so many of them that I've spent at your place. And Uncle and Auntie, I really wish that you stay this wonderful warm couple that you've always been, and wish you many, many, many more years of loving and caring and being happy together, great health. Wish you all the best and a very, very happy 50th anniversary.
Hello Uncle, hello Auntie. Wishing you a very, very happy wedding anniversary. 50th year. हमारी तो उम्र भी नहीं हुई 50 साल की. सो आपकी बहुत याद आती है. अभी हम रिसेंटली रक्षा रिट्रीट में थे फॉर अ वीक, अनिका, मी एंड अवी, और ईच टाइम वी यूज टू क्रॉस योर कॉटेज, वी यूज टू रिमेंबर यू, और हम यही बात करते थे कि बहुत साल हो गए अंकल आंटी से मिले हुए. विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी, 50th, and all the best.
Hello, Auntie and Uncle. Wish you a very, very happy golden anniversary. Have a be a rocking couple, just like both of you are always shining with your positive attitude. And wish you both many more years of lovely togetherness and blissful days ahead, peace, happiness, and health. Wish you a very, very happy marriage anniversary, happy 50th, and I am missing both of you. I would have come there, would have wanted to be there with you on this special day. Give you lots of hugs and love, but we'll meet soon. Miss you, love.
Happy anniversary to our Didi and uncle. दीदी अंकल ये अपने आप में एक बड़ा अद्भुत सा शब्द है. हम दीदी को, बुआ को दीदी बुलाते हैं और अंकल को अंकल. और हमारे फ्रेंड्स वगैरह पूछते थे, यार दीदी को कैसे, अंकल के हस्बैंड तो जीजा हुए, तो तुम जीजा क्यों नहीं बुलाते हो? बोले नहीं, ये हमारे अंकल हैं, बुआ जी लगती हैं, मगर ये हमारी दीदी हैं. तो ये केमिस्ट्री ही अलग है. एंड रियली शी हैज बीन आवर एल्डर सिस्टर टू अस. इतना प्यार दिया है हमको और हर जगह इतना केयर किया है हमारी. हम अपने बुआ को ही नहीं, हम दीदी ही समझते हैं, दीदी ही हैं. और अंकल हमारे इतने अच्छे हैं. ही इज़ बीन वेरी फ्रेंडली, ही इज़ बीन वेरी केयरिंग. हम कभी भी छुट्टियां मनाने जाते हैं तो अंकल के यहाँ पहुंच जाते हैं. अपना घर जैसा ही सब कुछ लगता है. आई एम एज ए सन टू हिम. तो बिल्कुल बहुत मस्ती वाले अंकल हैं हमारे. एंड हम इनके पास इलाहाबाद भी गए, वहाँ पे ही डजेंट हमको एरोप्लेन पे भी ले गए. AN-32 एरोप्लेन, द स्पेस क्राफ्ट, जो वहाँ पे कैरियर था, ट्रांसपोर्ट व्हीकल था, उसमें उन्होंने विजिट कराया, दिखाया सब कुछ. फिर स्कूटर में भी ही नेवर सेज ओके यू वांट टू ड्राइव, ओके यू टेक इट. कभी हमको मतलब कहीं मना तो किसी चीज में किया ही नहीं. ऑलवेज बीइंग गुड एडवाइस टू अस. पॉज. पापा जी और अंकल की केमिस्ट्री ही अलग थी. वो बिल्कुल अपने छोटे भाई की तरह उनको ट्रीट करते थे. कब और इनफैक्ट तो दीदी अंकल का शादी करने का वो ही पापा जी को ही श्रेय जाता है. ही वॉज द मैन हु सिलेक्टेड अंकल एंड सेट की नहीं, इसी से ही गुड्डी तेरी शादी करनी है. अक्सर हमें पापा जी सुनाया करते थे कि नहीं, चॉइस तो यही है, अब तुझे अपना एडजस्ट कर ले, तुझे अपना समझ ले. एंड अक्सर पापा जी और अंकल कुछ ना कुछ बहस में लगे रहते थे. एंड टिल एंड ऑफ द डे फिर मस्ती करते रहते थे. बस वो अंकल भी उनको छेड़ते रहते थे और पापा जी भी मस्त बात, खूब बहस होती रहती थी. हीटेड हॉट डिस्कशंस होते थे, हीटेड डिस्कशंस होते थे. और एट द एंड उनको कहीं कंक्लूजन निकलता नहीं था और स्टिल इट इज गोइंग ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन फॉर इयर्स. और ही इज बीन यंगर ब्रदर टू पापा जी. एंड उनके बड़े हेल्पफुल थे. इनफैक्ट हम लोग की जबकि सबकी जो मैरिजेस वगैरह थे, ही हैज बीन अ वेरी एक्टिव पार्ट इन एवरी फंक्शन. As a younger brother, he stayed with us, stayed with my father. आज तुम रिमेम्बर, इतनी सारी मेमोरीज हैं अंकल के साथ में. बस बोलते जाओ तो बोलते, मतलब खत्म ही, नेवर एंडिंग. हम लोग इमामबाड़ा गए थे तो वहाँ पे मैं वे बैक, हम लोग बहुत छोटे छोटे थे. वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा बच्चा था. ही टोल्ड अस द स्टोरी ऑफ इमामबाड़ा. Then uncle gave him a tip. He said कि इतना तो हम पान खा के थूक देते हैं, तो give me some more. तो was so many memories. फिर अंकल जब लखनऊ आते हैं तो he always cherish टोंडे का कबाब. This is my job first thing. Whenever he is visiting Lucknow, I have to serve him tunde ka kebab, and we cherish the moments we sit with him and eat tunde ka kebab and chicken biryani. He is fond of along with the chicken biryani, of course, and the kebabs. We have a nice hours of drinks, and he especially to mention, whenever he comes to Lucknow, he forgets his sleeping at 8 o'clock. He changes himself and waits for me till 10 o'clock, 10:30, and we sit at till 12 o'clock. Now that is astounding for him, really his lifestyle, and just for me he's awake. Amit is coming, so I have to be there. So he's being very cooperative in every sense, and he is my sort of friend, my fatherly figure, and everything. Once we went to Chandigarh with my friends, and I've been to Chandigarh with my friends Sanjay and Dheeraj, and uncle cooperated us. He took us to different places. We went to Jheel and which lake, beautiful lake, and he took us to Kalka also, and he was so friendly with my friends that they never felt they were at some other's place. He is so cooperative. अंकल की केमिस्ट्री अपने आप में ही एक बड़ी अजीब मतलब वो है. They always being छेड़ना each other, and they have been fighting while my uncle is at the receiving ends, quietly listening and again छेड़ing Didi with his beautiful comments, and Didi again with pouncing him, and I wish both of them continue with the same life and beautiful life, and with the love and affection you have been always there, and happy 50th anniversary to both of you. Love you.
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी दीदी एंड अंकल जी. आप लोग का हम लोग को इसी तरह से प्यार और आशीर्वाद हमेशा हमेशा मिलता रहे. थैंक यू.
Wish you a very happy anniversary, Bua and Uncle. Stay happy and stay together forever. And we all love you a lot. And we miss you a lot. And especially those tunde ke kebabs and chicken biryani with yum. And it tasted much better when you people were there. So, bas jaldi se aa jao. And I love you.
Happy anniversary, Butti Bua और अंकल.
मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ा. बर्बादियों का सोग मनाना फजूल था, बर्बादियों का सोग मनाना फजूल था, मनाना फजूल था, मनाना फजूल था. बर्बादियों का जश्न मनाता चला गया, बर्बादियों का जश्न मनाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ा.
आगे